Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to cover several methods of substrings, like substring, the method slice, and substr. Let's take a look at. Okay. The first one I listed here is a slice. Actually, for this one, I don't use it very often. The one I use the most is substring because Java background. Okay, in Java we have substring. That's why I use substring the most. So slice, we also have a start, which is the position, and also have an end position, but not include the end. And if there's no second argument, the slice will go to the end of a string. Basically it's a length minus 1, right? I never use the negative values. We can do a demo later and test it, okay? Which negative values for start and end are also possible, and you will count from a string end. Substring, very similar to the slice, but doesn't support for negative values, and it also allows start to be greater than end. I didn't use this one before. We can do a demo, see what's gonna happen. Okay, which is a start, which is greater than the end. And last one is str.substring, and also have a start, but this one compared to substring, and this one is give a length. Okay, how long the length you want of it, not the position. Okay, and the first argument can be negative. It will count from the end. This one is easy to understand. Now let's take a look at the examples for one by one. So first we'll do slice. Okay, slice. Let me open this one. Okay, I will create a new one. So let's create a new called string, which is a substring. And here I will do HTML because I do not know if everyone know the node, so I will just do using HTML to have all our code. Okay, so here let's define a string const str equals 1 2. This one is wrong. That's why it should be highlighted, right? Not highlighted, so something is wrong. Const str equals, let's use 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, a b c d e. Okay, which total is 10. And then I will do now I tend to say okay many times. I will change it. Okay, I'll change it. Slice. Okay. Oh no okay. Start and end. I will just do like this way. Str dot slice, because it's gonna return us another string. I start from position 0 and the end position is 5. Let's take a look at it. It said doesn't include the end, so it should be what's thing 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 4 5, and the a, this a, the position is 5, so it doesn't include a. The return result should give us 1 2 3 4. Let's take a look at it if it's match what we thought. Okay, not okay. Oh, okay. Why I always say okay? I see. Okay, not okay. So the result match what we thought, right? Because that include the end. Okay. And let's take a look at if no second argument. CLG str dot slice. Okay, I will start with 3. It's going to be 0 1 2 3. It's gonna start from 4. Okay, and then I don't give anything, so it's the string should be 4 5 till the end. 4 5 till the end. That is the second one. And let's take a test about the last one, which is negative. I never do this one before, and we can do it together. CLG str dot slice, and we will give -1 -1 as I predicted gonna be this one. Okay, then I will give -4. Okay, -1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Doesn't include the last one. The B should be -4. Doesn't include this one, should be EDC. That's what I predict. I'm not sure if it's correct. Okay. Doesn't have the value. It say the position start and end are also possible. That means the position count from the string end. What that mean? Let's switch it. -4 till -1. BCD. Oh, it have to be switched. BCD. Let's take a look at. -1 is -4. -4 is B. 1, 2, 3, and 4. B. Okay, from here. It start from here, and -1. 1 is this one, but doesn't include the E. Oh, I understand. So, what's gonna happen? The starting one cannot be greater than the end one. So this one is gonna be start from -4, which is start from here. -1, -2, -3, -4 start from here, right? End as -1. This is -1. End as -1, but not include -1. So it's gonna be B, C, D. Okay, like this way. So we do one more. Now I got it. Okay, start from -1. Okay. SR slice dot. Suppose we give -7 -3. The starting point need to be less than, okay, the end position. So -7, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, which is 4. 4. So it's gonna be start at 4. Okay, 4. Then -3, -1, -2, -3. -3 is C, but we not include C, so it's gonna should be end as at B. So it's gonna be the value should be 4, 5, A and B. Let's see. Okay, that's what I predict should be correct. Okay. 4, 5, A and B. Perfect. Okay, so that's the slice. This one is a little bit weird to me. Okay, if you want to just be familiar with that. We are more familiar start from the beginning, not start from the end. Next one is substring, which is between them. It's almost identical with a slice, but doesn't allow the start to be greater than the end, which is slice cannot. Okay, and it doesn't support for negative values. Now let's take a look at substring first. We will do str dot substring. Okay, substring, and we will give 0 and 5. Do the same thing as the slice, which is this one. And we will do here. We'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me add a line here, which is a substring demo. This way. Okay, so we know this part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I tend to do like this way. It's a beautiful more and 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, and the substring can only have also the beginning. Let's start 4. Suppose we do 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be 5 and A, B, C, D, E. Okay, let's take a look at 5 A, B, C, D, E. And let's test it. If a substring supported for the negative, it is set and it's supported for negative, right? Substring, and let's give -4 and -1. Okay, then a support. So let's see what's gonna give us. Give us an empty string. Cannot find it. Then a support. Okay, and if we use slice, you will get the value is BCD, right? But you do have one difference which is supported is allow start to be greater than the end. Let's take a look at it. What's gonna happen? I will do this one. Console log substring str.substring, and we will allow the 5 and 0. What's gonna happen? Basically, what I did is just switch this one with the beginning and end. Now let me refresh. Okay. Oh, we still get a 1, 2, 3, 5. Basically, if I do this one, substring 0, 5 and 5, 0, they are the same. See here the result, they are the same. Okay. Which is the starter is greater than the end. They kind of like doing things. Still think this one is start from 0 and end with 5. What that means? Yes, str.substring 0 and 5, they are identical. If you have the start greater than 0, start greater than the end, and this one start is lower than less than the end, they're the same. See here, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, they're the same. Treated as same. This is one. Okay. Last one is substr, and instead of giving the position, we give the length. Okay, the first argument can be negative, it will count from the end. Now let's take a look at how to use it. I will do is write another demo. Here have a substr console log str.sub 0 from 0 to 3, 4. Okay, which length? So it's gonna be start 0, 0, and the length is 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It should give us a value is ABC. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not ABC. What I'm thinking. And here I will use str demo. And now let me refresh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, substr. Okay, there's no this method. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's a length, you know. And let's do one more time. Str sub and str, and we give start from 5, and the length is 2, and which gonna be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's gonna be AB. Give us a value. Give us value AB, and they do have one is can be negative. It can count from the end. Okay, so we can do is like this way: sub str.sub str, and we give us -3, and give length is 5. Okay, let's take a look at. So it's going to be from the end. -3 is -1. -2, -3 is gonna start from C. Then you count 5. C, B, A, 3, 5, 4. So it's this part is 5, right? And it started with -1, -2, -3. So it's gonna be 4, 5, ABC. Let's take a look at. CDE. CDE. Oh, I was thinking it's gonna be sorry, this one I predicted wrong. I was thinking it's gonna be the same as the slice. It's different, so it's gonna be what's thing CBCDE. It's a length. It's not using the position, so it's going to be what? They start from -3, like 1, 2, 1, -1, -2, -3, C. What I predict this part is correct, right? And it's gonna be started from C, but it's not going to the BA5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The length is not going to that way. The length is still going to DE that way. So it only have a CDE. Because I don't have anything remaining. Suppose I have F, G, H like this way, right? Then I will have what thing? C, D, E, F, G. It doesn't go to the I can only change it from the end, because if I change from end, it's gonna be start from here. Okay, I can only change. I made a mistake. Okay, because if I change the -3, it always counted from the end, but the length is also counted from the left to the right. So it starts from -3 and then the 5 lengths after it. Okay, because there's no 5 afterwards, so it give the till the end, which is CDE. If I do if I add here, I want to start with a C again, because this one is -1, this one is -2, this one -3. So I will have a G, H, J in this case. Okay, like this way. So if you want to have more, then you make this one to be 7. And 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -6, -7, gonna be start from 5, and you count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So gonna be 5 ABCD. Right? 1, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -6. -6 and 7. Oh, this one is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is on 4. Sorry. So 7 is on 4. 4. This one is -7, right? -7. Then you towards to the right side and count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total is 4, 5 ABC. Oh my god. That is the substring. And so in this video we cover slice substring and substr. It may have other methods. You can take a look at the APIs. I use most of the time I use this one. Okay, and for the negative ones, we have to be a little bit patient, caution. Okay, because I don't use that I never used actually. And if it's convenient, when you have some cases you want to use them, but we need to be careful. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.